Hello, my name's Russell Preston Brown from Adobe Systems, and welcome to the Russell Brown Show. In this series of tutorials, I'm going to discuss my passion for mobile photography. I'll be working with the Android and Apple phone devices. I'll be discussing the workflow of starting with the phone, transferring them into the Adobe Creative Cloud, and then working with them in Adobe Lightroom on the desktop, as well as Adobe Lightroom Mobile on the iPad in my case. I also will be discussing some of my favorite hardware gadgets, like lenses and tripods that I use with my iPhone, as well as the software that's available, especially on the Apple iPhone, for creating special effects like timed exposures. And then finally, I'll demonstrate ways in which you can export your results from Adobe Lightroom Mobile into other applications on the iPad where I do my editing in Adobe Photoshop Mix and Adobe Photoshop Fix. Now, in this diagram, you can see how this whole process will work. I'm going to start here on the left with my iPhone in my case. Take a photograph. It will then transfer the full resolution of that photograph into the Adobe Creative Cloud. Then, from the cloud, it will then share what's called a proxy. A smaller version of the original will be shared across all of my other mobile devices. And of course, I'll demonstrate all of the photography workflow techniques I use to ensure that all of my images are safely stored in what I call an image vault. So there you have it. Let's get started. Follow along with me in my tutorial series here and learn how you can start taking really amazing mobile photographs and then, of course, sharing them on Instagram and Facebook. Let's get started.